Kangaroos are renowned for their incredible jumping abilities, thanks to their powerful hind legs and other physical adaptations. Based on the provided search results, here are the key details about how high kangaroos can jump. Maximum recorded jump. According to the Guinness World Records, the highest jump by a kangaroo was 3.1 meters, 10 feet high, when a hunted red kangaroo cleared a stack of timber during a chase in Australia. Another record mentions a captive eastern grey kangaroo clearing a 2.4 meter or 8-foot fence after being startled by a car backfiring. Jump heights. The average vertical jump height for most kangaroos is around 1.8 meters or 6.2 feet. Red kangaroos, which are the largest species, can jump up to 1.8 meters or 6 feet high during their normal bounding gait. Some sources suggest kangaroos can reach heights of up to 9 meters or 30 feet with their jumps, but this appears to be referring to the horizontal distance they can cover in a single leap, not the vertical height. So, in summary, while exceptional individuals may jump higher, the maximum recorded vertical jump height is around 3 meters, with most kangaroo species averaging jump heights between 1.8 and 2.4 meters under normal conditions.